Injustice? Damn. Look, Mary, those protocols are a one-way trip. A bad one.
I know that.
All right. All right. Just take a deep breath. Tell me what happened.
In the last 24 hours, I've lost my job, my home base. I've started having blackouts. I destroyed my apartment at super speed. I attacked my team, my family. Jefferson, I attacked innocent people, dozens of them, and I don't remember doing it. I'm out of control.
Easy. In my experience, there's almost nothing that can't be undone, but I'm gonna need you to calm down for me.
Calm down, I'm losing my mind. Look, you know the contingency plan. The injustice protocols were put into place for a reason, to protect the world when one of us goes rogue. It's happening, Jefferson. You have to take away my powers.